welcome back to another install. I am installing a Upart wig from Unice Hair. It is in the bodywave texture and it is 26 inches long when stretched out. And here I'm just showing you everything that came in this package, which is a typical cap, comb, earrings, and lashes, but everything is very cute. So let's go ahead and get into the install. As you can see, I left my edges out, my leave out at the top, and I just braided my hair in 2 big braids. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and cut off that little middle part there and slap on this wig. It's literally that simple to put it on. Yeah, you literally just like snap it in place and go. And it has combs. The combs don't snap. They're more the combs that like comb into your hair, if that makes sense. But yeah, you just clip it in and go about your business. So now I'm just gonna try to adjust the wig. So at first I thought I was okay to go ahead and start styling my leave out and styling the wig, but I quickly learned that the wig wasn't secure how I needed it to be. So I actually wound up having to readjust it and add some braids, like actually remove some of my leave out, add braids, and adjust. You'll see what I'm talking about. I had to do this. When I say these anchor braids made everything so much sturdier, definitely do this when you install this wig. I mean, like, you can stick it back into a ponytail and just slip the combs in if you want to, but for that extra security, I added these braids so I can, like, the combs will have something to hang on to, and so it won't slip off too easy, because that'd be embarrassing if my wig just comes off in public. So yeah, definitely I'd use some anchor braids and then apply the wig. Now the only thing that's left is to go ahead and style the wig for real. Honestly, truly, it's very simple. If you want, you can glue down like the 2 little flappy pieces in the front. I did wind up doing that. I don't think I showed that on here, which is why I'm talking about it, but go ahead and lay down your edges and fix your leave out and you're good to go. This is literally a 5-minute wig. It is 1, 2, 3. It's one of my favorites for sure. Yeah, and that's pretty much it for this video. This is what the hair looks like and wavy in its natural texture. I didn't put any wand curls in it as of yet, but my thumbnail is the hair with wand curls. That's what it looks like. And I'm also going to go ahead and throw in a clip of what this hair looks like flat iron, just in case you're curious. It's also really pretty flat iron, and it's actually super long too, so I'll go ahead and throw that in here. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button. And adios till next time.